What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have an update on XYO, guys, which has been dropping in value quite heavily over the last 24 hours. It is down 7%, currently trading at 0.0233 cents in value. So we'll be going through what is next for XYO, guys. It's been dropping quite a bit. Over the last week, it has dropped 20%, and even though over the month it is still up over 300%, we can see clearly that since early December it has been declining down in value, from going from 0.038 cents all the way to now 0.023. So we'll be going through its prediction for the rest of December and also going into 2025. What can we expect? And what caused the initial pump was, of course, the XYO and Tesla partnership, which doesn't seem to be going ahead now, which is why it is dropping in value quite heavily, and it is likely to drop further, but we'll get into that very shortly. Before I go into that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So at the bottom here, we have the RSI giving us what it is valued at. It is at 64.65, meaning it is not on the verge of being overvalued anymore. But that is quite obvious because of the dip that's been taking place over the last 24 to 48 hours is quite heavy. So at the moment it is in the zone here, meaning it is not expected to pump up soon or crash back down in value. At the moment it is likely to, yes, hit a few more red candles, dropping down to just above the 2 cents value is what I'm expecting, but no major price corrections are expected from XYO at the moment. And if we do bring up the Bollinger Band, we can see that the crypto at the moment is trading at at the blue line here, which gives us the average value of XYO where it should be trading at the moment, and that is exactly where it is. And I am expecting it to drop down a little bit further down below the blue zone over the next couple of days, potentially for most of this week. It is likely to hit more red candles before slowly starting to pump back up towards the end of the year, hitting more green candles, heading closer to the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting. And as you guys can see, the Bollinger Band is looking very broad, meaning it is being very volatile right now, and it is likely to start stabilizing in value over the coming days before slowly starting to hit green candles again, heading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. But again, if there are any major updates on that, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. But at the moment, it is looking not too great for XYO. So if we get rid of the Bollinger Band, the double EMA we have on the side here in green, giving us the average value again where it should be trading at, and it is essentially trading at a slightly lower value here in red. So again, it is not performing like it's meant to and less than predicted. So if we zoom in into the 4-hour chart here and bring on the MACD indicator, we can see that the crypto is in fact, the MACD line is trading at a much lower than the baseline and the signal line, meaning it is not looking too great at the moment. More bearish signals are expected from XYO over the coming hours and potentially over the coming days as well. So as mentioned, likely to drop down to around the 2 cents target is what is predicted at the moment. And if we zoom out to the daily chart a little bit further, it is trading way above the baseline. However, it is still below the signal line, so it is still looking quite bearish. However, that is over the next week and a half, so towards the end of the year I'm expecting XYO to be hitting more green candles, and going into early January 2025 I'm expecting it to head over the 3 cents target. Again, I'm not expecting any major movements. What I'm expecting is slow and steady increases in value by the end of the year and early next year. But again, XYO is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a daily basis. So if there are any major updates, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. But at the moment, it is not expected to go through a major crash or a pump. It is likely to stabilize around its current price range with very minimal dips and peaks in between. And what caused the price correction, as you guys can see, is this bit here, where it literally just flew up over 400% increase, guys, in the space of about 48 hours. That's what caused the major price correction that's taking place right now. Again, when a crypto does 400% increase in about 36 hours, we already know what's going to happen next, especially a crypto like XYO that has been established for a very long time. When that kind of thing happens, do expect a price correction to take place. Again, the trading volume keeps dropping. It is down 50% in the last 24 hours, currently at $8 million, and it is expected to drop even further over the coming hours and coming days to around $5 to $6 million and potentially growing back up by the end of the year and early next year when XYO decides to pick back up in value. But yeah, this is my prediction on XYO, guys. Have your views changed after the dip that's taken place over the last 24 hours? Do you still expect it to head to 4 or 5 cents by the end of the year? Let me know your predictions on that. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.